Hello viewers, my name is David Oshkol and I am from Jerusha Green Motors. Today the date is 11th of March year 2016. What you see in front in the on the computer is a vehicle. It's a Honda Unicorn vehicle, 150cc engine, runs on petrol, and the registration number of this vehicle is AP28DD7759. This vehicle has been put into performance boosting service at our workshop on 28th of January 2016, and when we calculate the number of days from 28th Jan to 11th of March 2016, it's about 50 days. And at the time of performance boosting, this vehicle was reading 27,750 kilometers on the odometer. Let's go and talk to the owner of the vehicle. His name is Mr. Kalyan, and understand how he is enjoying and experiencing our performance boosting. Let's go to him. That's Mr. Kalyan, and he has brought his other vehicle today. After his satisfaction with Honda Unicorn, he has brought his car, which is a Chevrolet Spark. Let's talk to him. Mr. Kalyan, good afternoon.
Hi, David. How are you?
I'm doing good. What about you, sir?
I'm doing good.
Tell us, on your vehicle, Honda Unicorn has undergone this performance boosting process at our garage. What has been your experience before the performance boosting and after the performance boosting? What are the changes that you have seen in your vehicle, if you can tell us?
Okay, so normally Honda is a good engine, and the way it cruises is very smooth, and I could see the difference when I just touched that accelerator. It used to be going very smoothly with no noise engine at 50 kilometers per hour, but it used to give a slight reaction when it goes to 60. But after the performance boost, I could clearly see that it is happy at 60. Before it was happy at 50, now it's much more happier at 60. Even at 65 doesn't matter. And
Okay.
I could see the pickup difference even with the pillion and riding on the bike.
Okay.
And at 60, if you raise your accelerator, it just tries to pull whatever the weight is, and it just goes on boosting.
Okay. So that has been your observation. And what about your mileage after the performance boosting?
Mileage, I used to get around 50 in city. Now I could see the difference in one of the tests which I did was around 60 in the city.
So it has boosted by 10 kilometers per liter in the city
In the
conditions.
city conditions.
Okay.
I mean, with my driving conditions, and because that's what I've been doing that.
Okay. And did you have any breakdown in the engine because of our process of performance boosting?
No, not. And actually, I see a difference after crossing 40. It automatically asks for fifth gear. It's not happy there. It needs a fifth gear so that it just goes get boosted. That's what I see when I see.
Okay,
That's
so
the difference I could see in the way the gears has changed.
Okay. So the torque has improved
Yes.
and the pickup has improved.
Yes.
The mileage has also improved.
Yes, it does.
And there is no negative effects on the engine.
No, I don't. Previously, if I have to go to fifth gear, I have to at least cross 45 kilometers per hour or 50 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
So it's happy at fifth gear. But the moment I cross 40, it automatically asks for a gear change. I could clearly feel that engine is asking for a gear change to fifth, so that it can just go glide.
Okay. So you are a happy customer.
Yes, I am.
And today you have brought your Chevrolet Spark car. What
Yes.
makes you bring this car to us, sir?
Okay, I've been using my car very less, which is just 50,000 in around 8 years span.
Okay.
And I don't have any problem with the pickup of the vehicle or also some whatsoever, but I still want it to be much more smoother and faster.
Okay. So for that reason you have brought this.
Yes.
We hope we will satisfy you with your expectations.
I'm expecting the same thing.
Thank you. Thank
Thanks,
you.